Hey guys, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair again, and this unit is out of a 70, either Barracuda, Charger, or Challenger. Comes from Dave in St. Clair Shores, Michigan. This is the second job that Dave sent me. He says he's got a couple more after I finish these, so let's go ahead and turn this one. Dave has requested the FM conversion with Bluetooth wired to the unit's original connectors, which means we'll only have 2 speaker outputs, and we won't get that increase in output power that we would get if we were to run into a non-grounded speaker system. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to FM at the moment. I've got all 5 presets set to stations in my area, so we can get through this test quick and not spend too much time on one song and get nailed for copyright. So let's turn it on. Okay, just run through the buttons real quick.
Any toppings, any sauce.
Okay, now we're going to switch over to AM, which we do by turning it off and then right back on within about half a second. So off, on. Okay, now we're on AM. We get one strong station around the center of the dial in my area. There we go.
Well, we'll have to wait and see. A lot will depend on where's Nancy Pelosi.
So there's our AM. So while we got on talk radio, let's just make sure we got both speakers. Balance right,
same page and let alone
left,
the American people.
right.
You're looking for an entirely different storyline than this. But you know, it's been a weak committee. It's made a lot of mistakes.
Down.
It's falsely accused Mr.
Tone up.
Loudermilk.
Okay, I'm going to put the Bluetooth in the pairing mode. We don't need this stuff anymore. Make sure the Bluetooth goes in the pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so the unit's trying to pair with an audio device now, letting me know that it's working properly. Let's test the 8-track function. Last thing. Pull the eject, tape comes out, radio comes back. Alrighty, last thing to check is the dial light, and I'm going to do that just real quick here. And yes, we have lightage. Okay, that takes care of that. Bluetooth paired, we got AM, FM, volume, tone, balance, tuning, and that's it. Everything's tested, got the 8-track, and incidentally, this is a plunger that I supply. If the customer does not have his original plunger, the original plunger has a 540 thread, and you're not going to find that kind of tiny thread pitch on a 3-inch long screw. So I have to go back in with a, believe it or not, a socket head cap screw that has a 10. No, it's a 632 thread, and so naturally I have to replace that receptacle inside there with a 632 receptacle that'll accept that. So that takes care of that. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. I believe this is video number 810. This is once again for Dave in St. Clair Shores, Michigan. Dave apparently likes to fix up a lot of Chrysler cars because the last one I did for him was a Chrysler AM radio just probably yesterday or the day before. So my website's in the description below. Please visit my website before calling me to ask me about my entire catalog of services. Please do that on the website, and then that way, when you do talk to me, you're much better informed already, and I'm going to have a lot more patience and, desire to talk to you. If you call me with what all do you do, I'm just going to send you to the website. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Dave, for your second job from St. Clair Shores, Michigan, and we'll see you guys next time.